Okay, everybody. My name is Candace Tone. I'm excited about 30 for 30 challenge, where we are going to help 30 families in 30 days start a path to financial freedom. We'll talk about challenges. We'll talk about obstacles, and we talked about also what keep you from hitting your goals. But for the past two videos, we talked about a positive cash flow versus a negative cash flow, and what's the difference between the positive and negative cash flow. The difference between income and cash flow, and why is king, and why cash flow is king. We talked about 1099 income and how this country ran on tax codes. How you need some form of 1099 in your portfolio somewhere, so you can pay. So you can pay who first? Yourself first. You definitely want to pay yourself first. You did the work, you deserve to pay. That's just how I feel. On this ninth video, I want to talk to you about investment income. What people don't realize, this country was set up on money that makes money, pays less taxes than labor that makes money. You want a large part of your portfolio to come from capital gains. Anytime money makes money, it's called appreciation. That means the taxes are being paid because money are considerably lower than when labor is taxed. Because labor is made from the money is higher taxed. What does that mean? Basically, all that in a nutshell means 67% of the wealthy people in this country, wealth comes from money making money. And work are synonymous. Wealth and work are not synonymous. We've been taught that the only way to mass wealth is to work. We was also taught work. But where's the wealth? The wealth is simply in investments. There's no need to be afraid of investment. A lot of people are afraid investments. People are afraid of investments because they don't know much about investment, because we wasn't taught about investments. Okay? There's none to be afraid of. Okay, let's take it for example. Your banking account. Anytime you put money in your banking account or in your savings account, it's been invested. So you're already investing and not even knowing that you're investing. No, you're already doing investment and not even knowing it. By having a savings account, by having a checking account. The problem is that you're not getting a high rate of return. The bank's getting high rates of return. They give you like 0.0001%. You know, why they getting like 13%? So they making money off your money, and they only give you a little small portion. You know what I'm saying? They understand this concept. This is why they doing it. So now that you understand it, now you can flip the roles. In other words, you are an investor. You just don't know. You just don't know that you're an investor, and you're investing the wrong way. You are investing in what's called the retail side. You're not investing on the wholesale side. So what's going on is we don't talk, or we don't teach, or we don't tell you what to invest in. What we teach is the terminology and the perspective in our 30 for 30 challenge. Okay, we teach terminology and perspective. Now, when you get with the person that's licensed, we merely educators. Okay? When you get with the person who's licensed, you are able to understand the terminology, okay? You can get some investment. You would know the perspective of your investor, okay? You would know the proper terms so that when you want to invest, you know what's a good investment look like. You'll know what a good investment look like. The keyword today is capital, okay? Phone number is 612-407-1568. And then if you're interested in more information on how to start getting more capital gains and lower your taxes as opposed to labor and raise your taxes, text the keyword capital 612-407-1568. I promise I will reply to you guys personally. Okay? Thank you. See you on the next video.